Hey guys, this is Tito from Tito Construction. We're going to remove and replace door handle. So I have to go that screw and remove the screw on this side, and we're going to remove these two screws, 1, 2, and remove the whole set. So we have all this set off here. So we have to do this insert at the door first. Then you're gonna bit this one. So you hold it in the center of the hole, and the one is gonna be inside with the lock. So this is privacy for the lock on your bathroom or your bedroom. Perfectly fine. Job is done.